how are you? I hope that you all are fine. So in this video we will discuss some important point. Okay. Let's see. This is the first point. That angle between angle between any two vectors lies between 0 and pi. Okay. So this was the first point, that angle between any two vector. Okay. Any angle between any two vector lies between 0 and pi. Okay. Or you can also say 0 and 180. Okay. That is theta is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. And here 180 is greater than theta, or we can say 180 is equal to theta. Okay. Greater than or equal to theta. Or here we can also write like this, or theta is greater than 0 or equal to 0. Okay. And theta is less than or equal to pi. Okay. So in the place of 180 we can also write here pi. Okay. So I hope you understand the first point, that angle between any two vector lies between 0 and pi. Okay. 0 and 180. Okay. Now let's see our second point. That angle between any two vectors is taken as smaller angle. Okay, so this is our second point, that angle between any two vector, okay, is taken as the smaller angle. Okay. So this one is our A vector. This is our B vector. Okay. So the angle between two vector, the angle between any two vector, okay, is taken as the smaller angle. We take this angle, not this one. Okay. So angle between any two vector is taken as a smaller angle. Okay, like this one. So I hope you understand these 2 points. Okay, that first point is that angle between any two vector is lying between 0 and 180. Okay, or we can say 0 and pi. The second point is that angle between any two vector is taken as the smaller angle. Okay. So angle between any two vector, okay, is taken as smaller angle. This smaller angle, we take smaller angle. Okay. So I hope you understand these 2 points. Now let's see one more point. That angle between any two vector vectors which taken at tilted and headed. Okay. An angle between any two vector is taken as tilted or you can say headed. Okay. Tilted or headed. Tilted or headed. Okay. So angle between any two vector is taken at tilted or we can say headed. Okay. So I hope you understand these 3 points well. Okay. Like our first point is that angle between any two vector lies between 0 and pi. Okay. That is 0 is less than or we can say equal to theta. Okay. And 180 is greater than or we can say equal to theta. Okay. Or we can in the place of 180 we can also write pi. Okay. And this one is our second point that angle between any two vector is taken as the smaller angle. Okay. So this one is vector. Okay. A vector. This one is a b vector. Okay. And the angle between these two vectors is taken as the smaller angle. Like this angle is our alpha. Okay. So theta is the smaller than alpha. Okay. So angle between any two vectors is taken as the smaller angle. Okay. And angle between any two vectors is taken at tilted or headed. Okay. Now let's see some important formula. Okay. Important formula. Okay. Now let's see some important formula. This one is our right angle triangle. Okay. ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay. This angle is our theta. Okay. So this one is our perpendicular, hypotenuse and base. Okay. We all know the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. That h square is equal to a square plus b square. Okay. This one is our Pythagoras theorem. Okay. That here h is our hypotenuse, b perpendicular and b base. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. Now let's see here. Sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay. P by h, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular. Okay. Just reciprocal of sine theta. Okay. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular. Okay. Now let's see. Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. Okay. Base by hypotenuse. B by h. Okay. And sec theta is just reciprocal to the cos theta. Okay. Cos theta is equal to sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by base. Okay, h by b. And now here tan theta is equal to p by b, perpendicular by base. Okay, perpendicular by base. And cot theta is just reciprocal to the tan theta, that is base by perpendicular, b by p. Okay. So I hope you understand this formula that sin theta is equal to p by h. Okay, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular. Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. And sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by base. Okay, sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by base. And here tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base, and cot theta is equal to base by perpendicular. Okay, so I hope you understand this formula. Now let's move further. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, and here sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay, so this is our next formula, that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay, and here one more formula, that is tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Okay, sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta, cos theta by sin theta. Okay, so these are some formula that you have to learn. So I hope you understand this one. Okay, so let's see some values. Okay, 0 degree, 30 degree, 55 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Okay. This is sin 0. Sin, cos, cosec, sec, tan, and cot. Okay, so now let's see the value of sin 0. Okay, so sin 0 is equal to sin 0 is our 0. Okay, sin 0 degree is 0. Okay, sin 30 1 by 2. Okay, sin 45 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 90, 1. Okay. So these are some values that sin 0, 0. That sin 0 is equal to 0. Okay. Sin 30 degree 1 by 2. Sin 45 degree 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degree root 3 by 2. And sin 90 degree 1. Okay. And here cosec is just reciprocal to sin theta. Okay. Cosec and cos. Okay. So here cos 0 is our infinity. Okay. 0 by 0 infinity. Okay. Right. And cosec 30 degree is our 2. Okay. Cosec 45 degree root 2 just reciprocal to the sin theta. Okay. Sin 45. Okay. So here cosec 60 degree is our 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Okay. Cosec 90 1 by 1 1. Okay. So here cosec 0 is equal to, okay, here now cos 0. Okay. Cos 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degree is our 1 by 2. Cos 90 0. Okay. Cos 0 degree 1. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degree 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Cos 90 0. Okay. And here sec is just over to the cos. Okay. That here cos sec is just equal to here cos. Okay. Sec 0 1. Okay. 1 by 1 is 1. Okay. And here sec 30 2 by root 3. Okay. 2 by root 3. Sec 45 root 2. Sec 45 degree root 2. Sec 60 degree 2. Sec 90 infinity. Okay. So sec 0 is 1. Sec 30 degree root 2 by root 3. Sec 45 root 2. Sec 60 degree 2. Sec 90 degree infinity. Okay. And now let's see tan 0 degree 0. Okay. Tan 30 degree 1 by root 3. Tan 45 1. Okay. And tan 60 degree is our root 3. Tan 90 degree infinity. Okay. So tan 0 degree 0. Tan 30 degree 1 by root 3. Tan 45 1. Tan 60 root 3. And tan 90 infinity. Okay. And last one cos. So cos 0 just reciprocal to the tan theta. Tan. Okay. So here tan 0 0. Okay. 0 by 0 infinity. Cot 0 infinity. Cot 30 root 3. Cot 45 1 by 1 1. Okay. And cot 60 root 1 by root 3. Okay. Here root 3 by 1. Okay. So here cot theta is equal to 1 by root 3. And infinity by infinity, it's 0. Okay. So I hope you understand these formulas. Okay. That we learned today. Okay. First one is that sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, and cosec is reciprocal to the sin theta. Okay. So here cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular. There cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, and here sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by base. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, and cot theta is equal to tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Cot theta is equal to base by perpendicular. Okay. After that, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. And here tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. And cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Okay. And after that we discuss some values. Okay. That sin 0 degree is our 0. Sin 30 degree 1 by 2. Sin 45 degree 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degree root 3 by 2. And sin 90 degree 1. Okay. And here cosec 0 degree infinity. Cosec 30 degree 2. Cosec 45 degree root 2. Cosec 60 degree 2 by root 3. Cosec 90 degree 1. And here cos 0 degree 1. Cos 30 degree root 3 by 2. Okay. And cos 45 degree 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degree 1 by 2. Cos 90 degree is equal to 0. Okay. And here sec 0 1. Sec 30 2 by root 3. Sec 45 root 2. Sec 60 degree 2. And sec 90 degree infinity. Okay. And here tan 0 degree 0. Tan 30 degree 1 by root 3. Tan 45 1. Tan 60 root 3. Tan 60 degree root 3. Tan 90 degree infinity. Okay. And here last one is cot. Okay. That cot 0 degree infinity. Cot 30 degree root 3. Cot 45 degree 1. Cot 60 degree 1 by root 3. Cot 90 degree 0. Okay. So I hope you understand this values and this formula. Okay. And I hope you also understand these 3 points. Okay. First point is that angle between any two vector lies between 0 and 180, or we can say pi. Okay. And angle between any two vector is taken as the smaller angle. Okay. Smaller angle is always taken. Okay. Angle, and our last point is that angle between any two vector is taken at tail or head. Okay. So I hope you understand whole the video. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.